I learned this trick from a friend in Italy. Now I only make chicken like this. In a pan with 2 chicken legs, I'll add 100 grams of butter and 10 cloves of garlic and let it fry until the butter completely melts. When that happens, I'll turn the chicken over and fry for another 5 minutes. Do you have any tricks to make a different chicken recipe? Tell us. After that time, I'll remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. All these ingredients make a perfect combination. You'll see in the end how it turns out with our chicken. The flavor will be amazing. In the same pan, I'll add 2 onions sliced into strips and sauté until they wilt. This chicken recipe is simply delicious. I'm sure that if you make it at home, it will become a routine and everyone will love it. I'll add 100 grams of mushrooms and sauté for 2 minutes. Look at the deliciousness that our recipe is becoming. Learn the step-by-step and already teach your friends. Now I'll add 1 red bell pepper cut into strips, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix to combine. Next, I'll add 100 grams of cherry tomatoes, 50 grams of spinach, and sauté for 2 minutes. After that, I'll now add a tablespoon of flour and sauté for another minute. After this time, I'll add a cup of chicken broth and stir until it thickens slightly. When that happens, I'll put in the chicken that was reserved. Finally, I'll cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. After that time, I'll add 3 teaspoons of cottage cheese, a cup of heavy cream, and mix everything very well to incorporate. And our chicken is ready. Look how wonderful it turned out.